Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is I-CMME SUPRIYADI. I will bring the title of this presentation, Analysis of Integration of Python in the South Korean Education System. It's systematic literature review. Introduction, final revision to the curriculum in South Korean, implemented in 2015, aimed to improve computational thinking by making courses formerly available only as electives. According to the Ministry of Environment and this policy aims to strengthen software education in school for computer education. South Korean sixth and the most current change to the computer science curriculum set the goal of promoting digital convergence in educational setting. New syllabus for computer science has been introduced by the Ministry of Education in South Korean. This includes digital literacy as well as programming and computational thinking. The research purpose from this study, the South Korean technology is advanced in 2018, the Ministry of Education in South Korea introduced a problem-solving and community-based curriculum. Problem-solving, programming, and digital ethics are taught in elementary school. The school teacher must teach at least 70 hours of computer science each year. This study seeks to present a theoretical overview of information technology on Python integration, at least in education Korea. This is another study using systematic literature review with the model from Denyer and Tranfield with 5 stages. The first stage is the research process. The next stage is determine the location of research. Google Scholar and Korean Citation Index are databases that are utilized in initial phase of selection. Articles were eliminated because they were irrelevant to the goal on the study. After selection, around 20 publications that meet the research objective remain. In the instance, Python in Hangul, Korean language, is the keyword used to access the database with published or various program. The result, you can see this is the thesis from we have studied about this article, this research, about 2022 article. The conclusion from the result, the study is about implementing Python, which is new amended in the Korean curriculum. Research and development and problem solving dominate the study. There are various studies introducing Python in learning, such as in 18 reference, number 18 reference, my reference, bringing coding education in the mathematics curriculum as fusion education of two topics. First research discovered the evolution of Python used in education. Study how Scratch, once a block-based pure education learning application, became Scratch. This finding led him to develop Python-based curriculum. From the result from the study is implementing Python is new in Korea since 2018, and the beginning is from block-based and now text-based like Python. So the conclusion is adapting software and software application curriculum is the primary motivation for this innovation, especially this study. The research approach is dominated by research and development approach. In the meanwhile, the use of Python could be used in increased computational thinking skill. Maybe that's all for me. Thank you very much, and thanks for your attention.